What's going on YouTube? ZXpredator here, and I want to wish everybody happy holidays for whatever you celebrate, because I'm learning at my place of employment there's people of different diasporas, so you can't just say Merry Christmas, or I just want to make sure everybody's included. So with that being said, I'm coming at you with this quick video doing a little reveal. So after doing some SmackDowns and getting into track this year and all that, more so even into last year and prior to that, but in any case, I'm finally in a position to pick up a premium helmet, as you guys can see right here. So I'm gonna give a big shout out to Chris. You're gonna see in the overlays, check out their MC down in the New Brunswick area or Central Jersey for assisting me in acquiring this item. So it's been something I've been trying to work on in the background, considering with COVID and certain stores were closed. So literally still in the bag, so let's see what it is. Alrighty. Now ordinarily you guys know me to do Predator helmet reveals, but this, similar to my cousin's helmet, got the SHOEI x14 performance helmet. Great for aerodynamics, and a lot of folks who are competitive at the track and or doing SmackDowns have this helmet. So came with the clear visor. I also have the tinted smoke, and I have the chameleon chrome over here. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys, just making some adjustments. Now my other helmets, I have the AGV Tartaruga helmet. It's a nice helmet and all, but to be honest with you, the other one that I have all my stickers with, I find that to be a little more comfortable, and I got that from Cycle Gear years ago. So I'm really happy I picked this up. I discarded the box, didn't really need it for the unboxing, but my cousin Garvin has this helmet, but with the whole graphics and whatnot. Like, this kind of looks like my ZX14 a little bit, and as much as I want to race as ZXpredator, it's not how can I say, even with the Predator Hunter helmet, I had less drag on the SmackDowns, but you need to have one of these, so it does make a difference, because these winglets create clean air out in the rear, less drag, so yeah, this will be my weapon of choice when going out to handle some business. So yeah, if you take a look on the inside, you can see that I put the chin stuff section in here. It wasn't in there before, but I noticed you won't be able to see it in the camera, but it does have like a bay for like your Bluetooth communicators. So I will put my stuff in there. I actually have a Cardo helmet piece in there that I'm going to be using. But unboxing or reveal of my new x14 SHOEI performance helmet. So I'll stick this, probably it'll be short enough to stick on Instagram, but make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell to get notified of all my new content. And I did want to give a shout out to my little niñas. I didn't forget y'all are in other videos, so it'll be some cool stuff. But the man, the myth, is ZXpredator. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.